Page 95, number 17. Find the range of the function f of x equals 10 minus x squared. The easiest way to find the range is to look at the graph. So I'm going to use the graphing calculator. So in my 84, I put in the function under y equals, and I created the graph. So I can see here that there is a maximum, and let me just adjust the window a little. Let me make my y values go up to 15 so you can see. So I have a parabola that has a maximum, so that is the maximum y value. You can also see that on the Inspire as well. And the nice thing about the Inspire is that if you hit menu and you hit trace and hit graph trace, it's usually set up to stop on the important points for you. So you can see exactly where the top of the graph is, and you can see the y-intercept and the maximum occur at 10. So you can get the exact value. So if it were a decimal or you didn't want to count the slash marks, by hitting trace, it'll quickly give you the correct answer. So I can see that the range of this function is going to be all numbers less than 10, less than or equal to 10. So I'm going to write it in two ways. So for part A, I'm going to write it in interval notation. So I can have any number up to and including 10. So when I put 10 in the interval, I want to make sure I use a closed bracket to show that 10 is indeed a part of the range. Now if I want to do this in set builder notation, I'm going to write it this way. All the y's such that y belongs to the real numbers and y is less than or equal to 10. Now, for information on how to read that, you'd want to go back and see the video for page 95, number 11, where I outlined how to read set builder.